exercise 5.8. In this clip, I'll explain you question number 5. This question, you have to draw a rough sketch of pentagon. After drawing the rough sketch of pentagon, you have to draw its diagonal. Now, first of all, we should know what is the diagonal. In the question itself, the meaning of diagonal is explained. The diagonal is that line segment that join two vertices of the polygon. What is the diagonal? Diagonal is that line segment that join two vertices of the polygon. Suppose this is a polygon. Okay, in this polygon, what is the diagonal? This is one vertex, this is another vertex. So this is the diagonal. This diagonal is joining the two vertices. This is another diagonal. This is vertex, this is another vertex. Again, this is joining, so this line is the diagonal. Understood? So what is the diagonal? It is that line segment that join two vertices of the polygon. Okay, now using this diagonal, you have to draw a pentagon. Now what is a pentagon? Pentagon is that polygon which is having 5 sides. Keep in mind, pentagon is that polygon which has 5 sides. So first of all, we have to draw a figure which has 5 sides. So like this, can we draw a figure? 2 sides here. Third, then this is fourth, and then this is fifth. Okay, 5 sides are done. This is your pentagon. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Okay, now it is asked to draw its diagonal. What are the diagonal? That line segment which join the vertices. Now you can see vertices. This is your first vertex, second vertex, third vertex, fourth and fifth vertex. Now we have to draw the diagonal. Can I join these two vertex together? So this can be your first diagonal, right? Then this vertex can be joined with this vertex also. This could be the second diagonal. We can join these two vertex also. This could be the third diagonal. Again, I can join from here. This is one vertex, na? This vertex can be joined with this vertex also. And this vertex can be joined with this vertex also. Okay, na? Anything else is left to be joined? Nothing is left, na? So we can give the name also. Got it clear? This is a pentagon with 5 sides which has 5 diagonals also. So the question, we have to draw the rough sketch of pentagon. We know that pentagon is a polygon with 5 sides. So 5 side polygon we have drawn. After that we have to draw its diagonal. How to draw the diagonal? Diagonal, we will join all the vertex. Like this also you can draw. Other figure also you can make which should have, any figure we can make, it should have 5 sides. This is one. You can do it like this also. One side, second one, third one. Then what we can do? Fourth one, fifth one. Okay. This can also be known as the pentagon. Now how to make its diagonal? We can join the lines like this. First diagonal, then second diagonal, then third diagonal, then fourth diagonal, fifth diagonal. I hope it is clear now. Okay, so this also or this also, any one you can make. This is how we draw a pentagon and the diagonals of that pentagon.